How to add multiple email accounts on iPhone, iPad. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. To add multiple email accounts to the Mail app on your iPhone or iPad, you'll simply have to follow these steps. So, let's get started. First things first, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad's home screen. Then, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Mail option and tap on it. Now inside the Mail settings, all you have to do is tap on Accounts to manage your email accounts. After you tap on Accounts, under the Accounts section, you'll get to see the Add Account option available there. All you have to do is tap on Add Account to begin adding a new email account. Choose your email provider from the list of options provided on your iPhone. As you can see, after you tap on it, you can choose iCloud, Google, Yahoo, Outlook, or another email service. If your provider is not listed, select Other and follow the prompts to manually set up your account. So, that's it, guys.